dear friend. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is Rakesh here. In today's class, we will learn about compound clip, new compound clip, how to make compound clip, and how to use this inside our in clips. And we have several footage how to apply this. This will be very interesting class, and so this will be very useful and save your lots of time, dear friends. Listen this class till the end. Then you will understand what I am actually telling you. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to those friends who are actually in the need of DaVinci Resolve tutorial. This will be very long tutorial and very advanced, beginners, intermediate to advanced, dear friends. Without wasting our time, jump into Resolve for You. Hello, dear friend. Now we are in the edit page of DaVinci Resolve here. Today we will learn this compound clips. Actually, it's a very important. When I didn't know how to use, how to make this compound clip, how to use it, it was very boring for. Really, I honestly tell you, it took lots of time. I lost the clips sometimes. I stretch too much, and that's why compound clip is very important. I show you. I tell you know how. You have see. This is our tutorial clip, which I make tutorial for you. Hello, dear friends. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is our, you see, this is our tutorial video. So we have several clips here. The logo of DaVinci Resolve, you can see here. Here I am in lower third here. That's from our last class. I have taken this clip. Here I am in talking head. I am telling about this lesson for new lesson. Our last 20 lessons. We have several clips here. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our background. This is our background. You see this background generators. So we learned about time estimating and speed change. You see, in this class we will. You see this big. When for example, I have several. You see, no here we have effects also. You see, very serious effects. So many clips here. We have here also transition. You see here transition. I have used this. You see this here highlight. This is actually transition. You see here transition. So in this there are several points in this clip. Now what I want to say, I want to use this clip to somewhere in our other project, because if I make other project, we have to again make our this lower third. You understand this logo here. You understand in this actually I can lower third. We have to use in talking head video. I can make every video for every class. I make a new subject, but this is our repeat it. I repeat this, I can make some changes. I can use in other clips. It will save a lots of time. So what I will do, how I will use this to the there is one traditional way. We can just you see, I will just copy this. Like I will copy this. You see, I want to drag this to somewhere. I want to use in some other clips here. What I will do, I will just take, I can drag like this. You see, I'm dragging. I want to use somewhere. In this way, I can accidentally, I can stretch. For example, I can stretch here. You see, I can lose some important parts of the clip. And you are dragging so many clips. It's a very actually time taking and boring, and you can, by any mistake, you can honestly you can lose any important parts of video. For example, I drag accidentally, I select only this. I can drag here. You see, no, I have to adjust. I have to come here. You see, I have to come here again. You see, I'm dragging accidentally. You can make this. Actually, this is the compound clip. Compound clip. The purpose of compound clip is save your time, and you can easily paste anywhere your effect, because this effect is repeating. You see, I repeat. I want to use anywhere. So what I will do? Just I want to undo here. You see, I have this clip here. No, I will do once again. I will just copy like this, select. Once I have selected in this red line, just showing that we have selected the clip. Now I will right click anywhere. Right click. You see, new compound clip. Now what I will do, just on the left button, just click here. You see, I want to make this Rakesh clip. Rakesh tutorial. My name is Rakesh, so I am Rakesh tutorial. Create. So you see, I made mistake tutorial. Just create. You see, now we have one single clip. You see here, and inside the clip we have several clips, but this is a compound clip, and inside this clip there are several clips. Now what I will do, I want to use this clip here. I will just drag here. because there are some effects I don't want to repeat. You see, all effect has appeared here. You see, I want to use here. You can use anywhere. My tutorial class is a very just I want to show you. I will just drag this because I want to use this clip here. You see, in here timeline here. Just I enlarge our, you see, now we have no I'm using this clip here. You can make enlarge the clip like in this way. You see, now our clip is here. You see, in this here I have used this compound clip on footage. Then you will understand how you can apply such effect. Now you can add any type of effect on this clip. If you want to make effect, you just I come here and filters. You can take a motion blur, any motion blur, any type of effect you can take and drag here. For example, I take this you see Gaussian blur. I will just drag on this video. You see blur, our skin is blurred here. You see, I can adjust this Gaussian blur here. You see, I can make little bit change here. I can make change here. I can here change. You see. So in this way you can make changes. You can add effect. This effect has been added to our this logo DaVinci Resolve my photo, and here you can according to yourself, your need, you can adjust. Actually, if you want to add this Gaussian blur or any effect in mosaic blur, any zoom blur, it will apply in our 3 clips. But I want to make these effects separately, and I need all clip here to see, because this is already compound. You can't see where there are several clips here. What we will do, I will just right click on the mouse here and decompose in place using clips. You see, using clips, just right click here. You see, now our all clips have appeared here. You see our logo DaVinci Resolve, this our lower third has appeared. Now if you want to change anything here, you can change for A, B, C, D, what you want to use. In our tutorial don't want to change, but you can change here. You can make a profile bigger. For example, I want to make logo small. What I will zoom. You see, I made logo smaller. So you can make this separately. You can apply on your clips, and in compound clip there are several clips. Actually, this is the work of our clips. If you want to drag from one place to another, you can use this. Just I want to return. I want to tell you very important thing. Just right click here and open in timeline. Here you see timeline, open in timeline. Once you open in timeline, you click here, there is a separate, you see Rakesh clip here, there is a separate timeline has appeared. Actually, what changes we were making there on our timeline after decomposing using clips, the same changes now you can make in your timeline here. Actually, I show you. For example, I want to make this logo smaller. You see our logo is smaller now. I want to make this our lower third. You see, this is our lower third. I will want to change here. Setting, I will come here and zoom. This our photo. You can change ever in this photo. And now we come to this lower third. You can change in the lower third. Just do. You see, lower third is small now. Such type of effect actually. Because this is a Rakesh tutorial timeline for especially for this clip, and this will affect in your video here. You see, I have come here. You see here, this is our actual timeline where I am using this clip, compound clip. Now see, in the compound clip we have made changes here. You see our logo DaVinci Resolve logo is smaller. Our this lower third photo is smaller here. Here lower third lower third about this our topics is smaller for our lesson. See, I have made changes. So in this way, you can even make these changes by just right click here and open in timeline. Just you will click here. It will open in new timeline here. You see, and actually this is the work of actually. It's a very convenient. It's the work of a new compound clip. Just you click here, you can make changes here. So there are several ways to be. One way here. This is the way. This is actually the right way. Second way, you can just decompose your clip here using decompose. You see, using clips only. You can decompose here. In this way, also make your changes in your video here. Actually, in the both way, what is comfortable for you, you can decide according to yourself. Sometimes I use such this idea. I make a compound clip and drag here where I want to make changes, and I want to add some effect, I want to change here, so make some changes and make other tutorial for your this our tutorial which we are making. In this way I use the same video, this skill logo and my name and this lower third in our next class. Actually it's a very convenient for me. You can see our other, you see our other video, you will see this such actually we have same lower third but only the topics has changed here. So in this way I make the compound clip and drag on the other timeline. You see I have timeline from other class, you see it's from our class. Here we use this our lower third. Here you see our photo, DaVinci logo, and this is generator. You see here this generator, you see this is rotating this beautiful generator. I in this way I make our video like in this way. Just I select and right click, new compound click, okay, create, and I drag this to our hair. Same change I make here on our this clip. Actually this is a very convenient. No, I want to tell you one more important thing. For example, this is our compound clip. Once again I select new compound clip, okay, compound clip, DaVinci create. Once again I create to show you. Now what I will do, I will accidentally or just I delete this DaVinci clip, compound clip. You see I have no clip here. No, I have no clip. I wanted to mention, it's very important. So what I will do, I have no clip here. I wanted to use here in our timeline, but we have no clip. What I will do, I will come here in our timeline, here in our media pool, here our master clip, all clips are available here. You see DaVinci. Actually we have deleted from here, but we haven't deleted from here. You see here I'm highlighting here. Actually it's available here. What we will do, just right left one mouse button and just we will drag here. Now we have, once again it has appeared. You see, now I play. We have just finished the class practice. It's a very important. Apply such effect on your own footage, then you will understand how you can apply such a. So actually this is the work of our new compound clip. You may take any photo from your several clips and make a compound clip, practice and apply it to your other timelines. Then you will understand. It's a very useful, and you know how to decompose it. This is the today's class. Hello dear friends, we have finished our class just now. Please comment what do you want to make more improvement inside class. What's your suggestions? What do you want to learn especially? This is actually free course. You can help us to just make this video popular to our wide range of audiences who are actually in the need of such tutorials. Your want, comment, subscribes motivate me a lot and make more useful and creative video for you. This is actually for you dear friends. Take care, bye, we meet in the next class.